Ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to the Magna POS YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about something very exciting, something your business will love and your customers will really appreciate you. Once again, my name is IK, and please, before we move on, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So we'll be discussing something exciting, like I said before, and that will be the combo package. And what is the combo package? The combo package is a bundled selling package that is available on Magna POS. So if you have products that you want to bundle together and sell in a pack, you can do that with Magna POS. For example, you want to sell 2 plates of food with bundled with a bottle of water, you bundle together and offer it to your customers. You can do that with Magna POS. If you want to do BOGOF, which is buy one, get one free, you can absolutely do that with Magna POS. So let's jump right into it and show you how you get this done. So I'll be logging into the demo account, right? So we are right into the demo account. And by the left is where you have your products. And that is where you can create this bundled product and sell it to your customers, creating a competitive edge for your business. So first of all, I will go to the add product section here and create the product for this combo. So you have to give it a name. For example, if you want to combine, if you buy a pot, you get 2 bottles of water, you have to call that combo a name. Today, let's try a name like we're combining Glenfiddich. If you buy a bottle of Glenfiddich, you get 6 bottles of water, right? That's a combo we are selling. So I will give it a name. Let's think of Glen FW, right? That's the name of this combo package, right? SKU, it will auto-populated. You fill the other details under units. Let's select single units. We'll skip categories. On location, I want it available in every location I have. So I've selected all these locations. Then you get to the manage stock. Remember, this Glen FW is not a real product. It's a combination of Glenfiddich and 6 bottles of water. So I don't necessarily want to manage stock. I don't want to manage the inventory. I don't want to track it because when I sell Glen FW, I will be selling Glenfiddich and 6 bottles of water, which I'm already tracking. So you have to uncheck this section. You can go ahead and fill other details, but most importantly, you come down to the product type section. This is where you click down and select your combo package. There are other options, but for totally different things. We'll talk about those in other videos, but today we'll be selecting the combo package. Right, so when you select the combo package, it opens up a tab for you to enter the products that make up that combo. And here we mentioned we want to add Glenfiddich as one, and we want to add whatever water. Let's say Ever water, right? Let's say water, and then we choose Ever water. Okay, so we want to sell one Glenfiddich with 6 bottles of water. So I'll change this to 6, and boom, you have a package. It gives you the purchase price here, total setup, gives you the average price, the total price you have to get, and based on your margin, your default selling price. Because I want to do this a combo, I want to give even a cheaper price for the customers. So instead of 5625, 5.625, I want to sell this for 5.6, right? Just to make this easier, 5.6 million. And that becomes the selling price for Glen FW combo, right? Which is a combination of Glenfiddich and Everwater 6 bottles. So I save this. So once you save this, this product is created. And when you go to your product list, which has come up, right? Let's search for Glen FW. Glen, right? Glen FW will come up. You see it here is available across locations. Purchase price is 4.5 million and my selling price. And you see here it's called a combo. So let's see what happens when you go to sell Glen FW, right? So we jump right into the POS section, which is where you actually sell. And you go to the tab section and just search Glen. See the Glen FW, the same price, 5.6 million. We select it and we want to pay. Customer wants to pay for this product, right? or we're doing a bank transfer for 4.6 million and you finalize the payment. The invoice will show you Glen FW as the product that was sold, right? So over here, you can see Glen FW as a product that was sold, 1 unit and 5.6 million. However, from your inventory, you will see a reduction in the component, which is Glenfiddich and 6 bottles of water. So this is how you use the combo pack on Magna POS.
See you in the next Magna POS YouTube channel. Thank you very much.